What if I told you you can host your website completely free with no credit card required, no hidden charges and no monthly charges, and you can start from today. In this video, I am going to show you the best free hosting platform in 2020-26 and which is the best for you and how can you use it very effectively for your project and portfolio and in free website. Hey everyone, I am Pradip, software engineer, freelancer and digital solution consultant. On this channel, I am share practical knowledge about web development, freelancing and digital business. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit on bell icon for more video like this. Before free hosting platform, let me explain what is hosting. Think about it. Your website is a shop and your web hosting is a land where your shop is built. Without hosting, there is no place to live your website. Nobody can visit, nobody can see. Hosting is what make your website available on internet 24 hours in a day and 7 days in a week. In 2026, there are amazing platforms that give you free web hosting for your portfolio website, your website and your small projects, and sometime app that is completely free for you and you can easily use. Number one, GitHub Pages. This is my personal favorite for hosting static website, HTML, CSS and JavaScript project. It's completely free and this is from GitHub, the world most trusted developer platform, and you will be get the free domain like username.github.io. GitHub Pages is the best for your portfolio website, your static website and showcasing your project. First of all, create a GitHub account and create new repository and upload your all website files in that repository and go to the page setting and select your branch from that repository and then your website will be live within a second. And this is completely free for forever. Number 2, Netlify. This is the most popular and free web hosting platform in 2020-26 for developer. Drag and drop your website folder, it will live under 30 seconds and no technical knowledge is required. Your domain will be your site.netlify.app. Netlify is the best for portfolio website, HTML, CSS website, React project and front-end project. Key feature of using Netlify as a free tier. You will be get drag and drop website deployment. You will be get automatic HTTP security. You will get custom domain security and you will get 100 GB per month bandwidth and there is a continuous deployment from GitHub every time. Go to the Netlify and sign up with GitHub and select your project repository or upload your files and then your site will be live instantly. Number 3, Vercel. If you are building React or Next project or any modern web framework project, then Vercel is the best free option for you. That is completely free. Vercel is directly connected to your GitHub account. Every time you push code, your website update automatically. There is no manual requirement for deployment and your domain look like this, your site.vercel.app. Vercel is the best for React project, Next project and modern all JavaScript framework. Key feature of Vercel: automatic deployment from GitHub, global CDN for fast loading worldwide, free SSL certificate, unlimited personal project. Go to Vercel, sign up with your GitHub and import your repository and then click deploy and your site will be live within a second. Number 4, Firebase Hosting. When it comes from Google, then there must be very fast loading and fast execution of website. Firebase Hosting is the best for web apps, React app and app that need the fast loading and speed and globally. Firebase Hosting is the best for developer who is looking for the fast global loading of website and your domain will be your site.web.app. In Firebase free hosting, you will get 10 GB storage, 360 MB bandwidth per day, free SSL certificate, and global CDN by Google. Go to firebase.google.com, create a project, install Firebase CLI, run Firebase deploy. Your site will be active. Number 5, InfinityFree. This is a free web hosting platform. This is best suitable for PHP website and WordPress website and blog. Unlike other web hosting free platform, InfinityFree provide PHP and MySQL support, so you can easily run your dynamic website and also static page with it. InfinityFree is best for WordPress website, PHP project, dynamic website with databases. Key feature of InfinityFree: it's provide unlimited disk spaces, unlimited bandwidth, free subdomain, and provide PHP and MySQL support. Go to infinityfree.com, create a free account, create a free hosting account, and then install WordPress or upload your files, and your website will be live within a second. Now tell me exactly which platform you should use on the basis your situation. If you are building portfolio website, then use the GitHub Pages and Netlify. If you are building React project or the next project, then you should use the Vercel. It is completely made for this type of framework. If you want to fast and reliability, then use Firebase free hosting. And if you want to WordPress hosting and PHP website hosting, then use InfinityFree. That is completely free and best for the dynamic website and static website also. My personal recommendation for beginner: use Netlify for your portfolio website. It is a drag and drop feature and your website will be live within 30 seconds. Free hosting versus paid hosting. So let me completely honest with you. The free hosting is a great for a start, but there is some limitation for free hosting. So there is a limitation you should know. In free hosting, there is no custom domain. You will get github.io, netlify.app, this type of domain name for your website, and there is a limited storage and bandwidth. There is no email hosting, and sometime you will get performance very slow. In paid hosting, you will get custom domain like yoursite.com. You will get more storage and bandwidth. You will get professional email, and you will get more performance and more speed support for your website. My suggestion for you is start with a free domain and free hosting, and build the website and learn the process how it is working, and whenever you getting the client, and invest in paid hosting with custom domain. That will be best for you if you are a beginner and just started. This is a bonus tips for you. If you want to professional look like website, go to Namecheap or GoDaddy.com, purchase a custom domain name, and go to Vercel or Netlify and host with the free hosting, and you will get professional look by this strategy, and you will get more client or more reliability for your website. So friend, if you want to free hosting for your domain or your portfolio website or any project, so comment free hosting, then I will help you as my best as possible. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit on bell icon for next video.